Hello everyone, this video will show how to factor this given expression that we have up here using substitution. So the first step that we need to do is to let u. So we're going to use the variable u, and the value for u is next to the b value, in this case here, which is sine x. So our u will be sine x. We can go ahead and say that our u squared then is sine squared of x, which is up there. So that we can go ahead and say that this given expression right here in terms of u would be 3. And then sine squared x is u squared. And then that's a minus 5. Sine x is u, so minus 5u minus 8. So we go ahead and factor this out. To do this, we are going to multiply the first and the last term here. So this would give us, so multiply this would be negative 24. So I'm going to write negative 24 up here. So there are two possibilities that we get a negative value when two numbers are multiplied together. It's either we multiply positive and the negative, or negative and a positive. So let's figure out the factors of 24. So we always start with 1. So 1 times 24. We also have 2 times 12. 3 times 8. And then 4 works with 24. That's 4 times 6. 5 doesn't work with 24. 6 works, but we already have it, so we don't have to rewrite it. So we go ahead and write the signs here, plus and minus. The other part for this is exactly the same thing, but this time around it's going to be a minus and plus. So negative 1 and then positive 24. So copy the same thing, 2 and 12, but this time around it's a minus and a plus. So we're going to look for this partner here such that if we add them, it will give us a negative 5. So that number right here would be positive 3 plus negative 8 is a negative 5. So this will be the combination that we're going to use. Now, we will use slide and divide to determine the factors for this. So what we do is we will slide this 3 to the negative 8. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this. So this will give me u squared minus 5u. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. So I go ahead and use the factors that I got here, which is gonna be, we get u and u here, so u and u. But this time around, we get a positive 3 and negative 8. So then after we slide, we are going to divide. The one that we slide, we're going to divide it here. So divide 3 and divide 3. So that's why this is called slide and divide, because we actually have to slide and we divide. So that we go ahead and simplify this further. So 3 works with 3. So we're good with that. So that is u plus 3 divided by 3 is positive 1. And then since 3 doesn't go with 8, we're going to slide it back into the front of the u. So then the other factors here then would be 3u minus 8, because we slide the 3 up here. So this is the factored form for this u version here. Now, since we say that u was equal to sine x, so we're going to plug the sine x back into the u. So then our equation would come out sine of x, which was the u, plus 1 times 3 sine of x, which was the u, minus 8. So this is the factored form for that given expression that we have up there. So that is how we factor using substitution.